Are you wondering whether investing in Tesla stock might transform you into a millionaire? Despite a hard year in 2022 as one of the major electric vehicle businesses, Tesla has been the focus of much controversy in the investment sector. However, according to Cathie Wood, CEO of ARK Invest, Tesla's revenue growth over the previous 5 years has been a remarkable 48% each year, despite the company's difficulties. While other investors have been selling their shares, who has been on a drop buying spree, here's how you could cash in and make the big money off of Cathie's knowledge and the incredible work of tech god Elon. We will reveal the quantity of Tesla shares that might make a 2027 retirement a reality for us Tesla bulls. Make us rich, Elon, but make sure to use the like and subscribe buttons before we head there. Taking into account the fact that Tesla stock is today trading at a relatively low price compared to 2022's highs, the issue arises as to whether owning Tesla stock at this time could assist some people in retiring with the profits that Tesla may see in the future. Either an optimistic or dismal perspective may be valid depending on the movement of the stock and Tesla's performance in response to the pressures of the market. So assuming you invest in Tesla stock given its market potential, how many shares do you need now to retire by 2027? Tesla, of course, has had losses and will certainly experience more, but based on the stock potential, the dips should be minimal. The question, however, is if Tesla can genuinely achieve a high price in 2027, the time when we expect to retire. To answer the question of whether or not Tesla is a good stock to buy, we can look to the company's performance, which has led to several bull markets. Despite the fact that some analysts believe the company to be overvalued, Tesla has partnered with many other companies in the energy sector. This includes Lucid, Rivian, and NIO, and has expanded into different markets to increase production and boost its market reach. Wallet Investor predicts that by 2025, the company will be trading at over $2,500 per share. A lot of famous people, including, of course, Cathie Wood, think Tesla stock could be worth more than $3,000 by 2030. Judging from their backgrounds, we may deduce that they are likely privy to some important information about the company. We believe these forecasts are based on extensive research into Tesla stock performance and the company's potential going forward. In the last 2 years, Tesla has significantly increased its production and delivery of cars, recently topping consensus estimates after the company delivered 108,600 vehicles in some of the most recent quarters. Although everyone looks forward to retirement, if you put in the work to ensure financial security once you leave the workforce, so how much money does it take to retire and what is the magic number that we are aiming for? The amount of money needed to retire varies depending on several factors such as your desired lifestyle, retirement age, life expectancy, location, inflation rate, and other expenses. To determine how much money you will need to retire, it is essential to calculate your expected annual expenses during retirement. This includes costs such as housing, healthcare, food, transportation, and leisure. A common rule of thumb is to aim for a retirement income that replaces at least 70% to 80% of your pre-retirement income. For example, if you earn $100,000 a year before retirement, you should aim to have an income of $70,000 to $80,000 per year during retirement. Assuming a 4% withdrawal rate, you will need to have saved around $1.75 million to $2 million by the time you retire to generate a $70,000 to $80,000 annual income. Tesla enthusiasts are eagerly awaiting positive updates while keeping a close watch on the upcoming debut of the Cybertruck. The Cybertruck's production was postponed from its initial 2021 timeline due to issues with creating sufficient 4,680 battery cells, as acknowledged by Musk. The automotive industry is about to witness a revolution with the Tesla Cybertruck's introduction, boasting an ultra-strong exoskeleton, all-electric powertrain, and avant-garde design. Its adaptive air suspension and significant ground clearance equip it to handle different terrains, while its cutting-edge technology and exceptional range make it a standout among pickup trucks. With more than 250,000 pre-orders and an initial cost of $39,900, the Cybertruck is unmistakably prepared to disrupt the industry and transform our perceptions about transportation. Musk stated that Tesla will finish developing the Cybertruck by the end of the year and have it ready for manufacturing to begin in 2023. Another thing, Tesla has disclosed plans to develop autonomous taxis, which will feature entertaining features and offer passengers maximum comfort. The robo-taxis will be crafted for various applications, making this project not just appealing to Tesla enthusiasts, but also to technology enthusiasts who appreciate innovative advancements. According to a recent interview with Chris Anderson, these self-driving taxis could potentially become the new norm for commercial transportation due to their exceptionally low cost per mile. Tesla's autonomous fleet of robo-taxis is scheduled to hit the roads in 2024 and will operate entirely without human drivers, according to the company's CEO Elon Musk. During Tesla's recent earnings call, Musk revealed that the robo-taxis will be fully optimized for autonomous operation and will not feature a steering wheel or even pedals. Elon Musk teased additional thrilling advancements, expressing the objective of achieving the most cost-effective price per mile and affirming that the expense of using a Tesla robo-taxi will be cheaper than taking a bus. "I believe it will be an incredibly influential product," he stated, emphasizing that it will be a significant driving force for Tesla's expansion. Musk disclosed that the robo-taxi's grand unveiling will occur sometime next year, and the company intends to begin mass producing it in 2024. Clean transportation can benefit from the utilization of renewable energy sources like solar and wind too. The CEO of the project raised concerns about the high battery requirements of the endeavor. However, if Tesla can crack the code on its renewable energy, it will have a significant advantage over its rivals. Initially, Tesla's primary aim, as we all know, was to produce a sports car, followed by using the proceeds to develop an affordable car, then utilizing the profits from that to design an even more reasonably priced vehicle while providing zero-emission electric power generation options. Presently, this plan is being executed with Tesla enhancing its technology and incorporating artificial intelligence. It's also stated that the company's humanoid robot project could eventually surpass its automobile business and potentially diminish the necessity for human labor, ultimately decreasing industry's labor expenses. This could be extremely advantageous for businesses. During Tesla AI Day, a video was played demonstrating the robot executing fundamental tasks such as transporting packages within an office and watering plants. Optimus is being engineered to be a proficient robot that can be mass-produced in significant quantities, with Musk suggesting that millions of units could be produced. Tesla's forthcoming robot, the Tesla Bot, will be engineered to perform tasks that mirror human brain functions, such as interpreting visual information, making real-time decisions, and communicating. The company plans to incorporate technology utilized in its vehicles, including a battery pack and autopilot software, to enable the robot to accomplish these goals. Musk expresses his enthusiasm about the potential positive impact that the availability of Optimus could have on society and the economy, stating that the robot could result in a 2x increase in economic output. "It'll be a fundamental transformation for civilization as we know it," Musk added. When asked about the timeline for the robot's release, Musk predicted that deliveries of Optimus could begin probably within 3 years and not more than 5 years. Although some members of the public have expressed skepticism towards the technology, Musk has stated that safety remains a top priority, despite his efforts to bring the robot to market quickly. He will not compromise on this issue. He acknowledged concerns that the humanoid robot could potentially take over, but emphasized that precautions will be taken to ensure the robot operates safely and does not pose a threat to human society. So there you have it, all the reasons why we are bullish on Tesla for 2027 and beyond. If Wallet Investors' $2,500 prediction for Tesla stock price, which they probably based off all these developments, comes to fruition, then this is how a potential $70,000 to $80,000 retirement could look like in 2027. The $2,500 is a pre-3-1 split figure, so let's divide the number by 3 to get the actual price per share as today's shares stand. This yields a price of $833 per share. In order to reach the $2 million needed for a $70,000 to $80,000 retirement, we will only need 2,400 shares to retire in 2027. For more content, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.